All right, I'm here again. Now this time we're gonna do the bulkhead. It's a new modification that I made to the original model. Um, and this is based on new information that I gathered. So that helped me improve the model. Uh, these are the parts that will form the new bulkhead for Hopper. It's totally different from the original. The original is actually, it was actually the dome, the complex dome, and I just made it same way as at the bottom dome. But as I said, this is a new way to make a dome, less number of parts, much easier and straightforward. So let's these are the pieces. Pretty much these rings will be glued one on top of each other, and then this part will connect here, and this top will cover the whole thing. All right, so let's do it. Let's start with the outer ring technique, just to fold it. I've shown you before. Just moving it, you're curving it. And now let's apply some glue. A little bit here. Make a thin film of glue. All right, and let's close it. Let's close it. There. Sometimes I use the tweezer to hold tight on the seam line. That's my way of doing things. It helps. All right. And this is an easy step, making these rings. Now we'll do the same with each one of these, but you have to remember that all these triangular tabs need to be folded inward in order to have the upper ring fit smoothly on top of it. Okay, so let me do this, and then on our next video you'll see how everything has been put together, gluing it. So this is the technique that you always have to keep in mind when you have these triangular tabs. You have to fold them. All right, there you go. We'll do this with the rest, and then we'll glue it together.